whip, just hopped in. I got options. I can pass that bitch like Stockton. Just joshing. I'ma spend this holiday locked in. My body got rid of them toxins. Sports in the top 10. I can put
What it is, YouTube? It's Chill Rice. We're gonna react to BlueFace TikTok official music video. Let's go. BlueFace. Bust down, Tatiana.
Man, where's that tonight? Let me check my time out. Ooh.
BlueFace be scheming. I just had to let that out. He be scheming.
See little freaks on my little timeline. I know Lil Cuz got something going on. Let me tap in with Lil Cuz. Hold on.
Oh, baby, BlueFace is calling you.
That's just who I need to talk to. Come here. BlueFace.
Hey, alright.
The fuck?
BlueFace, baby.
Lil Cuz, what's happening, man? I know you know where it's at, man.
9 p.m. We gotta put this on TikTok.
A puppet got 2 baddies in bed. The fuck?
9 p.m. sharp. House party time, baby.
9 o'clock.
9 p.m. I need you on the sharp.
I want more.
I gotta go. We gonna send a limo. I mean, an Uber. I mean, my baby mama. We finna send it right now.
Let's go. Ooh, sharp.
Hey man, if you got some motherfucking lemon pepper steppers on, man, tie them hoes up tight to where you ain't got no circulation in your ankle. You hear, nigga? Cause vibe to the song, man, if you got your shit on, look.
Hey, if you got that shit on, take it off, bitch. Vibe to the song from the left to the right, from the front to the back, then it's...
Whoa, hold on. Let's restart. I wasn't paying attention.
Hey man, if you got some motherfucking lemon pepper steppers on, man,
Lemon pepper steppers on.
to where you ain't got no circulation in your ankle. You hear, nigga? Cause vibe to the song, man, if you got your shit on, look.
Hey, if you got that shit on, take it off, bitch. Vibe to the song from the left to the right, from the front to the back, then it's back to the right to the left. Mop it up, clean it up, grade cup, do your stuff, take a sip, then you dip with the hip hop. Focus on TikTok, no, not like that.
Yeah. He trying to make a TikTok viral song. That's what he trying to do. I know what BlueFace doing. He trying to make a viral sound.
Cause vibe to the song, man, if you got your shit on, look.
Hey, if you got that shit on, take it off, bitch. Vibe to the song from the left to the right, from the front to the back, then it's back to the right to the left. Mop it up, clean it up, grade cup, do your stuff, take a sip, then you dip with the hip hop. Put this on TikTok, no, not like that. Like this, from the left to the right, from the front to the back, then it's back to the right to the left. Mop it up, clean it up, grade cup, do your stuff, take a sip, then you dip with the hip hop. Put this on TikTok, flip, flip, running all this flip flop, flip flop, flop, crack up on TikTok, rock, 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 don't stop like you running from the cop, let this.
This shit's cold. This shit's cold. Hold on. Ooh, this is awesome. This is cool. This is a cool vibe.
I just got the drop at a nigga drop.
Yeah.
Better pose, let me know what you know. If you got that shit on, bitch, vibe to the song from the left to the right, from the front to the back, then it's back to the right to the left. Mop it up, clean it up, do your stuff, take a sip, then you dip with the hip hop. Put this on TikTok, no, not like that, like this. From the left to the right, from the front to the back, then it's back to the right to the left. Mop it up, clean it up, grade cup, do your stuff, take a sip, then you dip with the hip hop. Put this on TikTok, do your stuff, pick it up, drop it down to the ground, around, pop a pound.
This shit is fucking hard, dude. This shit is hard. So,
round of applause for the cause, don't worry. Baby, I'm a boss. If I lost, take a loss, get it back. Got a crack, lift that ass with a jack. Put a bitch on her back. That's a fact. I'm a max. She gon' do it for a stack. Stack it up, grade cup, do your stuff. Pussy wet like a tub. We gon' do it in the shower for an hour. From the left to the right, from the front to the back. Then it's back to the right to the left. Mop it up, clean it up, grade cup, do your stuff. Take a sip, then you dip with the hip hop. Put this on TikTok. Like that, like this. From the right, from the front to the back. Then it's back to the right to the left. Mop it up, clean it up, grade cup, do your stuff. Take a sip, dip with the hip hop. Put this on TikTok.
This shit is fire, dude. He trying to make a viral TikTok. I know it. And I know this music video popping. Regular BlueFace video though.
What a day! Boy, we went hard today. I know y'all 1,000 women, and been documented.
Before this happens, video was the song. He definitely made it for TikTok. He named it TikTok for a reason. He also wanted me to... God, sorry guys, my girl's texting me. But anyway, this music video was awesome. Regular Blueface video though. 1,000 big booty bitches. Half of them cute, half of them alright. Blueface dancing with all his diamonds, of course. This little dude, I don't know, but the song was dope. Video was dope. Let's see what this little puppy got to say.
Cause of the name Blueface.
Yeah, alright.
But you know my face is the one that's really blue.
Hey, little cuz, you know I must admit,
Little cuz know what he talking about.
your face is blue. You might got a little bit more action than me, then, you know. I fuck with you.
Yeah, I gotta give you some of that blue dot.
I fuck with
All of them gonna come watch this. You know how you say, ooh,
you. Ooh, ooh.
Woo.
Let me see something.
what was it?
Show me something. Show me.
Hey, bitch! Ooh!
Ooh.
Alright.
Yeah.
That's right, little cuz.
Look.
The buzz.
Yep. You keep your name blue, and I keep my face blue, and this is what we do.
Yeah, alright.
2 blue faces.
Ooh.
Ooh. Blueface act like he don't want to be there. He's like, man, I don't want to be here. Man, this is a music video I made the other day. I'm cutting that out. Blueface act like he don't want to be there. But that was a music video. Regular Blueface video. 1,000 bad bitches. Cute face. Half of them. Half of them look like men. Half of them are fake, but it don't matter. Video was dope. Song was definitely meant for a viral TikTok sound. I can already see people making up shit. But yeah, it was cool. It was a cool little vibe. Like, comment, subscribe. Follow me on social medias above. That'd be dope, and I'll be thankful. So see y'all later. Peace.